Thanks a lot, guys. I plan on relaxing today. Can you drop me my cushion?
Welcome to Coastal Woodworking and Design. This channel is about two everyday normal guys who are starting a business from nothing. We're not rich, we don't have a lot of money or equipment for that matter. What we do have is drive and work ethic. The idea is to build this business on a $10,000 credit card and $5,000 cash, using the equipment we already own and adding to it as we go along. Watch us grow an idea into an empire. Or maybe we fail. The great part about the story is you're seeing it as we are living it, one day at a time.
You're not much for taking chances, but you're taking a chance on me. And now we're building bridges.
Watch us turn this empty store into hopefully a thriving business. Cheers.
I never thought I'd
All right, so that's about it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Absolutely. See you in the next one.